A dripping faucet is more than just an annoyance. It wastes hundreds of gallons of water annually, leading to higher utility bills and unnecessary environmental impact. Fixing a leaky faucet is a common home repair that most homeowners can tackle themselves. This guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you have the knowledge to stop that persistent drip. With a few basic tools and some patience, you can restore your faucet to perfect working order. Let's get started. Before you begin, it's crucial to identify your faucet type. Common types include compression, cartridge, ceramic disc, and ball faucets. Each type has a different internal mechanism that might be causing the leak. Knowing your faucet type helps you diagnose the problem accurately and purchase the correct replacement parts. If you're unsure, a quick online search with your faucet's brand and model can often provide the answer. Preparation is key to a successful repair. You'll need a few essential tools. Gather a set of screwdrivers, an adjustable wrench, and pliers. A utility knife can be useful for removing old seals. For materials, have replacement parts on hand, such as O-rings, washers, or a new cartridge, depending on your faucet type. Plumber's grease, penetrating oil, and a cleaning cloth will also be beneficial. The most critical first step is to turn off the water supply to the faucet. Look for the shut-off valves directly underneath the sink. Turn them clockwise until they are completely closed. If your sink does not have individual shut-off valves, you will need to turn off the main water supply to your entire home. This is usually located in your basement, utility room, or outside your house. Once the water is off, open the faucet handles to drain any remaining water from the lines. Place a towel or cloth over the drain opening to prevent small parts from falling down. This simple step can save you a lot of frustration. Having a clean, well-lit workspace will make the repair process much smoother. Lay out your tools and parts within easy reach. Begin by carefully removing any decorative caps or covers on the faucet handles. These often conceal screws. Use the appropriate screwdriver to loosen and remove the handle screws. Gently lift off the faucet handles. You may need to use a little force if they are stuck due to mineral buildup. Be careful not to damage the finish. Next, remove the escutcheon or dome cap, which typically covers the main body of the faucet. This will expose the internal valve mechanism. Depending on your faucet type, you will see a stem, cartridge, or ball assembly. For a compression faucet, the leak usually comes from a worn rubber washer at the base of the stem. Remove the stem and replace the old washer with a new one. Apply plumber's grease to the new washer. If you have a cartridge faucet, the entire cartridge often needs replacement. Note its orientation before removal. Pull out the old cartridge and insert the new one, ensuring it seats correctly. Ceramic disc faucets typically leak due to worn ceramic discs or seals. Carefully remove the disc assembly and replace any worn seals or the discs themselves. Clean the disc ports thoroughly before reassembly. Ball faucets, identifiable by their single handle and ball-shaped mechanism, often leak from worn O-rings or springs. Remove the cam and washer assembly, then replace the springs and O-rings. Once the new parts are in place, carefully reassemble the faucet in reverse order. Ensure all components are properly aligned and seated. Tighten screws and nuts snugly, but avoid over-tightening, which can damage parts. Replace the escutcheon, handles, and decorative caps. Double-check that everything is secure before proceeding to the next step. Slowly turn the water supply back on, either at the shut-off valves under the sink or at the main supply. Open the faucet handles and let the water run for a minute or two. Carefully inspect the faucet for any signs of leaks. Check around the base of the handles, the spout, and underneath the sink. If you see any drips, you may need to retighten connections or re-examine the replaced parts. Fixing a leaky faucet is a rewarding DIY project that saves water and money. With these steps, you can confidently tackle this common household repair. If the leak persists, consider consulting a professional plumber.